Did you know that nearly 1 in 3 adults report not getting enough sleep? And guess what? Essential oils might just be the natural solution you're looking for. Hey, wellness enthusiasts! Welcome to Essential Oils for Sleep, where we learn about essential oils, their health benefits, and how to use them. Today, we're diving into something that's become super popular lately: essential oils for sleep. With so many people struggling to get a good night's rest these days, it's no wonder these little bottles of goodness are gaining traction. In this video, we'll explore how essential oils can help you drift off into dreamland, backed by some fascinating clinical research. So, if you're tired of tossing and turning at night, stick around as we uncover the best essential oils to help improve your sleep. I'd love to hear from you. What essential oils would you like to learn about next? Drop them in the comments and we'll make videos about them. This class is all about you. Do yourself a favor and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the wealth of knowledge that you won't find anywhere else. Keep watching to the end so you don't miss my favorite tips and tricks. Now, before we get into the good stuff, let's talk about a common issue people face when diving into essential oils. There are so many options out there, and with that comes a ton of misconceptions. People often confuse essential oils with one another, thinking they all serve the same purpose. And let's be honest, choosing the right oil can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to this world. You might be wondering, do I need lavender for relaxation, or is it chamomile? Here's the kicker. Each oil has its own unique benefits, and it's essential to know what you're looking for. So how do you sift through the noise and find what works for you? Stick around because we're about to make it a whole lot clearer. Want to know my secret for better sleep? You won't believe it, but it's adaptogenic mushrooms. Adaptogens give your body exactly what it needs to function optimally. If you need energy, they give you a boost. If you need sleep, they help your body and brain shift into wind-down mode. I have dealt with bouts of insomnia for my entire adult life. Taking Rise Mushroom Matcha has been a game-changer for me. I take 2 servings per day for optimal results. If you want to try Rise for 15% off, click the link in the description. Sweet dreams, friends. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Let's get into the good stuff, essential oils. First up on our list is lavender oil. This one is a classic for a reason. Lavender has been shown in numerous studies to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Just a few drops in your diffuser or on your pillow can make a world of difference. A 2022 research study found that lavender can significantly improve the sleep quality of cancer patients. A 2023 study found that lavender can help alleviate the negative side effects of caffeine and anxiety on sleep. A 2018 study found that lavender can ease anxiety and improve insomnia in chemotherapy patients. Wow! Sound like we could all use a little more lavender in our lives. Next, we've got chamomile oil. Known for its calming properties, chamomile can help you unwind and enhance sleep, especially if you pair it with a nice cup of chamomile tea before bed. A 2020 study found that massage with lavender and chamomile can ease anxiety and improve sleep quality in burn patients. A 2023 study found that chamomile has a positive effect on neurotransmitters and can improve sleep quality in dementia patients with insomnia. Now, let's talk about an essential oil you may not know: bitter orange. The bitter orange tree, also called Seville orange, produces 3 essential oils. Neroli is made from the blossoms, petit grain is made from the leaves, and bitter orange essential oil is made from the fruit itself. Bitter orange essential oil was used in a 2022 clinical trial for pregnant women experiencing sleep disturbances. It was found to be a safe and effective natural sleep aid. I'd say this one is definitely worth a try. Bergamot and Ylang-Ylang were used at an outpatient cardiac rehab center for patients with insomnia. Patient-reported sleep quality was significantly better when participants were exposed to essential oils. Valerian essential oil has a long history of use for sleep issues. A 2022 study found that valerian activates the serotonergic synapse signal pathway to increase the expression of 5-HT and GABA, thus improving insomnia symptoms and alleviating anxiety. In non-science nerd terms, that means valerian essential oil has a positive effect on neurotransmitters in the brain that help send signals for calm and relaxation. Rose essential oil doesn't just smell like an expensive English garden, it's actually very effective for insomnia. A 2022 study found that rose essential oil aromatherapy reduced anxiety and improved sleep quality in burn patients, making it a useful tool for combating insomnia caused by anxiety. Now let's create 2 sleepy time diffuser blends. You'll need 2 drops each of lavender, ylang-ylang, bergamot, geranium, and valerian essential oils. You can substitute lemon for bergamot. We're using geranium as a substitute for rose since it's quite expensive. Another option is 2 drops each of bitter orange, lavender, ylang-ylang, and chamomile. If you don't have a diffuser, you can apply 5 to 6 drops of these diffuser blends to a cotton ball and place it between your pillow and the pillowcase. If you would prefer, add a few more drops to the cotton ball and leave it on your nightstand. You can also use these diffuser blends to create a DIY room spray. Are you ready? Let's do it! For the DIY room spray, I suggest using a continuous mist spray bottle. You can find them at Amazon. To make 100 milliliters of room spray, that's the size of most bottles, you'll need 70 milliliters of distilled water or rose hydrosol, 20 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol that is at least 90%. You could also use vodka and 10 milliliters of your chosen diffuser blend. You can use a food scale set to grams to weigh these amounts. To use the spray, try to aim as high as possible so the mist dissipates before it hits any furniture. As a disclaimer, never apply essential oils directly to skin without proper dilution. Never ingest essential oils unless directed by a practitioner. Essential oils should be seen as complementary therapy and not a cure-all for every medical condition. So, to wrap things up, we've explored some amazing essential oils that can help improve your sleep. Lavender, chamomile, bergamot, bitter orange, and ylang-ylang all offer unique benefits that can support your journey to a better night's rest. Remember, these natural remedies aren't a one-size-fits-all solution, but they can be a fantastic addition to your nighttime routine. Trust me, you'll notice the difference in how you feel when you wake up refreshed and ready to conquer the day. So, did you learn something new today? That's exactly why this channel exists. If you found this information to be at all helpful, be sure to like this video. It's an easy way to support this channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more tips and discussions on essential oils, natural remedies, and holistic wellness. Thanks for watching to the end. See you next time. Check out one of these videos if you would like to watch more of our content.